Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we're going to see about how to search a character in a string, okay, and then also how to count some characters. So let us see first how to search a character in a string. So if you already learned about linear search algorithm, it is so simple. You can try it by yourself. If you don't learn already the linear search algorithm, you may watch this video. Okay, just say there's a string where I can say it is Pirai. So then now I want to check whether the character yes is present or not. Character yes is present or not. So what is a basic approach I can do? First, I will traverse to the whole string. Now, first I will check whether this p is equal to yes, no. Whether this I is yes, no. Whether r, no. I, no. No. I, no. Yes. Yes. It is equal to. So I will return true. So this is the basic approach. This is a basic approach for searching. Okay, if it is maybe we want to return the index, let us take the index is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So you want to return what? This fifth, this 5. If the character and s of this iteration, this index, s of index is equal to this character, I can return what? True. And also I can return what? This 5. So I will return the index. Okay, so this is the basic approach. Fine. So talking about this approach, if I ask, just assume, if I ask a character which is not present in the string, let us take a string again, Pirai Sudan, and then I'm taking a character which is equal to maybe Z. Z is not present, right? But let us see. First it takes this P is not equal to Z. I no, R no, A no, I no, yes no, you no, no, D no, no, no. So there is no such element called Z. So I will return what? I will return -1 or I will print -1. Just print. Okay, so this should be my output. So how to code it? Okay, so this is a simple approach. This we are traversing to this whole string, then we are checking, or then we are just printing the what is the index of it, right? So let us take, let me write here. This is how the code looks like, but still we can do like a flag variable which is equal to 1, and I set the flag variable as what? Maybe flag variable is equal to 0, and then here I will do a break. Here flag is equal to 0, I will print what? -1. Okay, so let me run. Yes, now just see here, search is equal to p and s is equal to trace to. Now flag is equal to 0 for I in range of len of s. So I am iterating to each and every index of s. If s of I is equal to search, if it is equal to search element, I can say print I, the index, and then flag is equal to 1, and then I am breaking. Okay, I am giving the flag is equal to 1. As we know, if the element is found, the flag value will be changed into 0 to 1, and it will be break, so that I can identify whether the flag value is 0 or 1 in outside the loop. Okay, if it is 0, I can say it is not present in that array, so I can say the index is -1. Just go and print a -1. That's all. So let me take another character Z. Fine. So this is the first question. And then what is the second question? Count vowels in a string. First of all, we want to know what are the vowels. So what are the vowels? Just say vowels are the letters A, E, I, O, U. So these are the vowels. These are the 5 letters in alphabet. They are vowels. Okay. Now we want to give the count of these vowels. Okay. I will give a string. Let me take a string as again Purisudan. Now how many vowels present here? I can say this is my first vowel. These two are my second and third vowels, and this is my fourth vowel. Then this is my fifth vowel. So total there are how many vowels? 5 vowels. Okay. So I will return what? 5. So 5 is my output. Now how to approach this problem? Okay. We know what? How to search. How to search. Go and check. That's it. Just see here. This is my string. Now we want to check whether there is A, E, I, O, U. If any one of this matches with the current character, I can say it is a vowel. Just increment the count. Yes. So first of all, I am going to check whether P is equal to anything. No. Whether I, yes, I is in vowel. So my count will be what? My count will be what? Increment to 1. Now again R, no. A, yes, increment by 1. Again I, increment by 1. again yes, no, u increment by 1, again d no, a, so increment by 1, 5, no. So totally the result will be what? 5. So this is what approach. Yes. But see here, there may be lowercase and also uppercase. Okay. So we want to check whether it is in the lowercase and also it is in the uppercase. Okay. So we want to check whether it is in the lowercase and also in the uppercase. Okay. So see here, s is equal to half moon coded. Now vowels is equal to 0 for I and s if I is equal to a, r equal to e, r I, r o, r u, and for the uppercase letters, then I want to increment the count of the vowel. Then I am printing the vowel count. Okay, let me run it. See here. Yes, see here. There are totally 5 vowels in the half moon coder. See here, a is the first vowel, then o is the second and third vowel, then this o is a fourth vowel, then this e is a fifth vowel. So there are totally 5 vowels. So in Python, we can do it in a quite different way. Like we know in Python, membership function, right? In Python, we have membership function. What is membership function? The membership function is we are using in or not in. Okay, if I in a e I o u a e I o u, then I can say increment the count as 1. Just I given a string and I am checking whether this I is in this string instead of doing that R. Okay, we can also do it like this. This is the inbuilt function. This in is a inbuilt, I mean inbuilt operator. Okay, but we don't want to use this in real-time application. But still, you may use this to search, because if you don't know about this, just go and watch my Python playlist. In there, I will clearly explain about this operator, what is meant by in operator and not in operator, right? So this is what the approach for counting the string and searching the character in the string. But in searching the character in the string also we can do like this. It is simple step, okay? Like here we want to return the index, but still if you want to find whether the given character is in the string, then see here print, okay, search is in, yes, that's all. That's all. Once, okay. Now the C change to P, okay, true. But if I put capital letter P, false, because it is case sensitive. So you want to write like in s dot lower of. Inbuilt functions are many used, but still you want to know like how much liberty can be accessed in Python. Okay, so here it is true, right? So this is what the use of this membership operator. If you don't know about this, just go and watch my Python playlist. There I will explain this with more than I think 3 or 4 examples, right? Thank you.